46 to 29. So we move to compromise amendment 1. Who is in favor? Against? Abstention? Let's check this one. Okay, who is in favor? Who is against? Abstention? Rejected. So who is in favor? Against? Abstention? Rejected. Compromise amendment 11. Who is in favor? Against? Abstention? Adopted. IMCO 1. Who is in favor? Against? Abstention? Let's check this one, IMCO 1. Then we move to 14. Is it okay? Amendment 14. Who is in favor? The vote is closed. And it is adopted. Against? Abstention? Adopted.
I think we are now closer to the elections, and the people are starting to take care, not just the green activists, but the ordinary people. Automobile is the subject of the daily need. Here we had a very different coalition, and I'm very glad that it's a coalition of rationality and selective approach, which on one hand can help the environment. That's why we supported the emissions from, to control the emission from the tires and brakes, because the microplastics, it's really a challenge. Here I think we are bringing a very realistic solution, offering a modest, appropriate time to accommodate. And if approved in the plenary in November, I think we have a very solid basis for the trilogue negotiations, which also keep the chance for the people to buy the car for affordable prices until the electromobiles would be available for affordable prices.